Hey guys, how you doing? Today Agustin talking to you. We're here in Knoxville and we wanna blow your mind with a little tiny tip. You can make every single song sound much better. You know when you hear a tango and you hear the and it's such a great tango, but you're like and then you search online any version that someone else just put without that. Today, we just want to blow your mind sharing one tip that you can do to instantly make all your tango songs sound way much better. So here we go. Open the program you generally use. We use iTunes and we're gonna hit Command Option E and that's gonna prompt out the equalizer. So with the equalizer, the trick is in this last bar. This is usually where the sound of that is gonna appear. And most of the tangos doesn't work with that particular bar. So if you bring it all the way down, it's not gonna affect your tango, but it's definitely gonna reduce the sound that you're hearing. We're gonna use the embrace. The embrace works the same way. Just gonna drop up it there. Command Option E, equalizer, flat. Hear the difference. Oh! Did you hear that? It's gone! I don't have to do any other thing. I just put the equalizer down. Boom, gone. I love it. It just changes completely the sound. You don't have to buy another music. You don't have to go to weird effects like reverb to get rid of that sound, because reverb is gonna make your head like ugh. So try to avoid reverb. If it has a lot of noise, put the last one down. If you still have a lot of noise, start tweaking the curve tiny little bit, be subtle. And one important thing that you have to know is that iTunes has this equalizer, but when you hit Command Option E, brings up the equalizers. This has to be active. Otherwise, whatever you do here is not gonna work. And you have to know that the equalizer in the iTunes is gonna have a few seconds of delay. It's not gonna be instant. That's why we use another program. We can talk about it later in another video. This also works on your phone. There are some apps on your phone that you can hit equalizer, bring it down. It's gonna sound fantastic. An important thing you have to know, if you are a DJ and you wanna use this tip when you are DJing, when the cortina comes along, bring it up. Otherwise, it's gonna sound awkward because regular music does use that last band. So you probably will have to increase this during the cortina and decreases when the next standard starts. But that's it. That's all for today. We're gonna keep on posting videos about dance, about DJing, about music, about tango history. I hope this tip was useful for you. If you like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, follow us, and we hope to see you in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.